In the sequel of the stories of superhit films shown on Khabar Tak, today I have brought the story of film Suhag, that is Marital Chastity. This film was released on silver screen in 1979, and this was the highest earning film of that year. This film was directed by the famous director Manmohan Desai, and lead role was played by the famous pair of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha. Besides Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha, Shashi Kapoor, Nirupa Rai also played an important role in this film, and Amjad Khan, Kader Khan, and Jeevan as a villain in this film. This film had so many good dialogues like ये क्या है चप्पल कौन सा चप्पल कोल्हापुरी नंबर 9 हाँ नंबर में 9 और फटके में 100 दैट इज व्हाट इज दिस स्लीपर विच स्लीपर कोल्हापुरी व्हाट्स इट्स नंबर 9 yes it is 9 in number and 100 in beating. This film was full of melodious songs, a few of which I buzz for you. इम्तहान है मेरा इम्तहान है इम्तहान है मेरा इम्तहान है मैं तो बेघर हूँ अपने घर ले चलो घर में है मुश्किल तो दफ्तर ले चलो 18 बरस की तू होने को आई रे कौन पूछेगा जतन कुछ कर ले कुछ कर ले जतन कुछ कर ले तेरी रब ने बना दी जोड़ी तेरी रब ने बना दी जोड़ी तू हाँ कर या ना कर यारा यारा ये बोले जोगी का एक तारा हो शेरा वाली सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम ओ शेरा वाली सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम रे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम ओ शेरा वाली बिगड़ी बना दे मेरा काम रे. Now listen to the entire story of film Suhag, that is Marital Chastity. The story of the film Suhag, that is Marital Chastity, begins with a father drenched in rain bringing a doctor to deliver his daughter Durga Kapoor, played by Nirupa Rai. Durga Kapoor gives birth to twins whom the doctor first shows to their father and goes to give the good news to him, but there she finds not father of the children but their maternal grandfather, who is very happy with the birth of twins to his daughter. The doctor asks about the twins' father, but the children's grandfather is unable to give an answer. After bidding farewell to the doctor, the father and daughter take their newborn twins to their father Bikram, played by Amjad Khan, to give him the good news, who is having a gala time with a dancer and drinking alcohol. At first, the dancer's goons don't allow him to come inside, Later, when he insists on reaching the age with his daughter and her newborn baby, his son in law refuses to acknowledge them all. On this, when he says that he is the father in law, then Vikram, while still in embrace with the dancer, tells his father in law in an incident language that if starts giving justice to all the women like this, then by now he would have had more than 10,000 fathers in law. In which such a situations, how many such fathers in law will be remembered? Her father in law asked her to accept him for the sake of these children, if not his daughter, so that no one can blame the children and their mother, and all of them can get their daily bread after him. On this, when Vikram calls his own child a puppy and talks about throwing him on the garbage and sending his daughter to some brothel, then he is unable to bear it and gets a massive heart attack and dies. When Durga Kapoor cries over her father's dead body and begs Vikram to adopt her newborn baby, Vikram has his men throw away his father-in-law's dead body and also sends Durga Kapoor away from there. While leaving, Durga Kapoor threatens him, saying that today you are not giving justice to your children in the pride of your power and money, but tomorrow the whip of time will be in the hand of these children. After being chased away from here, she goes to a Durga temple and tells her story while crying in front of idol. Then a brothel broker, Jaggi, played by Kader Khan, comes there and consoles Durga Kapoor by saying that happiness and sorrow are part of life. One who has not experienced sorrow has no right to wish for happiness. When Durga Kapoor addresses him as brother and tells him everything, that she neither has anyone in the city nor she know the city. Then the broker takes her with him, saying that he is taking her to a kind-hearted woman who helps helpless women and can take care of women like her. But in reality, he brings her with him to a brothel to sell her. Here, a customer talks to the brothel owner about giving him a beautiful young girl. On this, Jaggi tells him to go and see what kind of young girl I have brought for you. On this, the customer goes there, and on seeing her, he says that the girl is very beautiful, but she has two children with her. On this, Jaggi says that he will take care of the child. He should take care of the girl. For this, Jaggi charges some money, but the brothel owner snatches that money too. After this, the brothel owner deceitfully takes Durga Kapoor to the customer's room and hands her over to him and asks him to turn off the room and do her work. On this, Durga Kapoor addresses the customer as brother and tells him all his sorrow. On this, he tells her not to worry because he is not a customer but a police officer. After this, he comes out with a pistol in his hand and wants to arrest the brothel owner and pimp Jaggi. Then Jaggi puts a knife on the neck of one of the children and talks about killing him. Then, on Durga Kapoor's request, the police officer releases him and he runs away from there with a child and sells him to a crook, Pascal, played by Jeevan, and runs away with the money. Here, a child is living with Durga Kapoor. Pascal places his child Amit Kapoor, whose role is an adult, is played by Amitabh Bachchan, in the lap of a woman and makes him beg on the steps of a temple since childhood. One day, Durga Kapoor gets emotional after seeing this child in the lap of a beggar and she gives him some money, remembers her children and wishes him well and then goes back home. One day, Durga Kapoor falls ill then her child Kishan Kapoor, whose grown-up role is played by Shashi Kapoor, goes to a medical store to get medicine for his mother. After taking the medicines, he gives the money he had with him to the shopkeeper. Since he does not have money to buy the entire medicine, the shopkeeper keeps some of the medicines with himself and says that he will give him the entire medicine if he brings more money. He is coming back worried about how to arrange for the remaining medicines. Then a person's money falls there, which Kishan Kapoor picks up and is happy that now he will be able to buy all the medicines for his mother. Here, that person seems to be a criminal type because seeing Kishan Kapoor picking up the money, he snatches the money from his hands and puts it in the glass of liquor and talks to giving money only after drinking alcohol. Kishan Kapoor, under compulsion to bring medicine for his mother, drinks that alcohol but falls down as he is unable to bear its intoxication. Amit Kapoor, who had started committing petty crimes, he sees this scene and out of pity carries him on his back and takes him to his home. Durga Kapoor advises Kishan Kapoor not to drink alcohol even though he is compelled to do so and encourages him to study. Here, Amit Kapoor has adopted a new business to earn money. Now he is earning money by doing business under the guise of collecting donation for the construction of Durga Ma temple. He is forcibly asking shopkeepers to give money, and those who don't want to give are beaten with sleepers. Then, seeing that it will take a lot of time, he puts donation box in the middle of the intersection and forces everyone by putting money in it. At that time, Bikram's car is passing by. The driver stops car and tells him the whole situation. Then, seeing that it will take a lot of time, he puts at the time Bikram's car is passing by. The driver stops the car and tells him the whole situation. When he was putting a rupees 10 note in the box, Amit told him that he was such a big man. Why don't you feel ashamed putting a rupees 10 note in it? Then he said that there was not much time left to put more money in because the Durga Ma temple had to be built soon. On this, Bikram taunts that, are you collecting money for Durga Ma or for your own mother? On this, Amit says that Durga Ma is also our mother. On this, Bikram again asks that it will take a lot of time to collect so much money. On this, Amit says that then he will leave this business and take up some other business. He will steal, rob. On this, Bikram asks if he will commit some murder. And when Amit says yes, his eyes light up thinking that this man is rich for him. Then he puts a large amount of money in the donation box and Amit happily takes it and removes the box from the intersection and Bikram's car passes from there. Then someone informed Amit that his father Pascal, who has raised him since childhood, is injured and Amit goes there. Pascal tells him about a goon who beat him up, snatched his money and left after threatening him. Amit first scolds his friends, then he goes to the address given by Pascal, whom he considers his father, to take revenge on that goon. At the situation, Amit meets Kishan Kapoor, who is a police inspector and has come there in search of the same criminal from whom Amit has come to take revenge. Kishan is thinking about opening the door of the goon's house and entering it, catch the goon when Amit, standing on a rock above, challenges him. On this, Kishan points his revolver at him. On this, Amit says that anyone can play with toys. If you have strength in your arms, then fight with each other. Then fight starts between Kishan and Amit. Before the victory or defeat can be decided between the two, that goon Raghu Dada arrives there and tells both of them that do not work here. Everyone has to pay extortion money. Then Amit and Kishan leaves their fight and starts beating the goon Raghu Dada. Meanwhile, a police car arrives there, from which Amit comes to know that the person with whom he was fighting a while ago is police inspector of this area. After this, he starts flattering Kishan and requests him not to implicate him in anything. Kishan talks of not implicating him in anything. Meanwhile, the police inform him that Inspector Khan has been shot dead by goons. After gathering the information, he reaches Khan's house. Then, after this, talks of not implicating him in anything. Meanwhile, the police inform him that Inspector Khan has been shot dead. There, he finds his mother very sad. Seeing this, he consoles Inspector Khan's mother and says that one of your son is dead and the other is alive. I will take revenge for Inspector Khan's death. Then some policemen show him the picture of four suspected criminals involved in Inspector Khan's murder and say that these criminals frequent and house of a brothel owner named Champabai. Before the police reaches Champabai's brothel, Amit reaches there and here Basanti, played by Rekha, is busy chasing away her elderly admirers by beating them with slippers. Then Basanti comes there and asks her admirers to stay there and watch her dance. She scolds Amit for needlessly trying to marry her and that she is not willing to marry him. When she talks of beginning her dance in front of admirers, Amit talks of singing a song for her. The dance and music of these two was still going on. In the meantime, those four criminals whose pictures are the police had shown to Kishan also reach there. Here they start beating Amit, and due to their greater number, they start overpowering Amit. Then the police, under Kishan's leadership, search for those four criminals and reach the brothel and beat all four of them and lock up in the lockup room. Then Kishan sees Amit there and accuses him of beating people everywhere. Then Amit finds conditions so bad everywhere that he has to do this. Then the request Kishan not to register a case in the police station against him because it will spoil his CR. Kishan scolds him and sends him back. After Amit leaves from there and comes to Kishan's house and meets his mother and tells her that 15 years ago he had brought her son, who was lying unconscious after drinking alcohol, to this house, addressing her as mother. He said that he had passed matriculation because of the books given by her. Saying this, he bends down to touch her feet, and when Durga Kapoor bends down to lift him up, she rebukes him and says that you have drunk alcohol. To this, he says that in childhood he had slapped his son for drinking alcohol. I don't have a mother who can scold me or slap me. That is why I got addicted to alcohol, but I will give it up now. Just then Kishan comes there and gets shocked to see Amit there and asks him, his mother, why did you let him come here? And if it will happen to such people, on this mother says that why 15 years back when you had drunk alcohol to bring my medicines and had become unconscious, then this person had brought you here. Then he makes Amit sit with him for the breakfast. While both of them are having breakfast, a phone call comes from Vikram. Vikram asks Kishan to immediately release the four criminals he has arrested from the brothel. In case he does not do so, he threatens to kill him. When Kishan tries to find out his identity, he hangs up saying, your father. When Amit asks whose call it was, he gets angry and says, your father. Amit feels a little bad about this. Then he tells him that this is what the caller said. Meanwhile, when Durga Kapoor asks Amit about his marriage, Kishan says that he has no one. How will he get married? To which Amit says that it is not so. Girls are waiting in line for him, but he is not getting married. And when Amit asks Kishan about marriage, Kishan tells him that I like educated girl, but my mother does not like them, and my mother likes illiterate and religious girls, but I don't like them. That is why the talk of marriage is stuck. In this movie, Gopal is played by Ranjit, runs a bar and dancing club. One day, Anu, played by Praveen Bobby, a medical student, comes to the bar and dance club with her friend. Anu is sitting at a table and her friend goes to Gopal to buy alcohol but runs out of money. On this, she talks about introducing him to her friend. In the same sequence, Anu's friend asks her to taste cigarette and alcohol. In the process, he get intoxicated and Gopal is taking advantage of this. He is dancing with her in a state of intoxication. Then Kisan, who had changed his ways, disguised himself and had come there to raid, stops Gopal from doing this to Anu. On this, Gopal and his men fight with Kisan, but then the police arrives. There is a stampede in the bar and dance club. Gopal somehow managed to escape by jumping from the upper floor. After that, Kisan takes Anu in his car to reach her home, and when he asks her for her home address, Anu talks about being homeless and says that he will take her anywhere. In the process, Kisan sees her identity card and then drops her at the medical college hospital hostel. In a drunken state, Anu kisses Kisan, which leaves a stain of her lipstick on his cheek, and she also puts her sandal in his pocket. Seeing this, the mother of Kisan understands that Kisan is in love with someone, but Kisan refuses this and asks his mother to prepare breakfast quickly and goes to the bathroom. Anu unknowingly comes to Kisan's house with the intention of working in many houses to earn money to help the poor on behalf of the medical college. At first, Kisan's mother was sending him her back, saying that there was no such work in the house. But while leaving, Anu saw Kisan's picture. Then she came back to the same house and told his mother, that she should meet Kisan and apologize. Then the Kishan's mother, Durga Kapoor, understood the girl with lipstick and sandals. Then she asked her to prepare breakfast for Kishan and treats her like a daughter-in-law. She asked Anu to call her family members soon to talk about this matter. Meanwhile, Amit is hiding under a tree in a garden and drinking alcohol and smoking cigarettes. Kishan's mother, Durga Kapoor, also comes there and tells him to make Kishan ready to marry Anu at any cost and then leaves. After that, Kishan comes there and asks him to go to Anu and tells her such things about himself that she breaks this relationship. In this dilemma, Amit goes to Anu and sometimes he praises Kishan for fulfilling the promise made to his mother, and sometimes he exposes Kishan's evils as per the promise made to Kishan. Then Anu tells Amit that he has no one and that is why he is confusing her. On this, Amit asks Anu about Kishan's love. She tells him that she loves him. Amit then tells her not to worry about anything and leave from there. Basanti, who is actually Anu's sister, had already refused to come to Anu so that effect of the defamation does not reach Anu due to working as a dancer to educate Anu. Now, when Amit asks her to pretend to be Anu's sister, she once again refuses to do so. On this, Amit says that she could not find her own match, so at least she should atone for her mistake by finding another suitable match. After much persuasion, she agrees to go to there on the condition that she will not show her face to the girl, because based on the letter and Amit's statement, she has come to know that the girl is not other than Anu, her sister. Then both of them go to the designated place and throw dance in the bitterness between each other and strengthen the bond of their love. They succeed in paving the way for the marriage. Meanwhile, the police get information about Vikram goons were involved in Inspector Khan's murder. Together, more information from the public. The police publishes an advertisement in the newspaper. Seeing the advertisement in the newspaper, Inspector Khan's mother tells Inspector Kishan that he is murderer of Inspector Khan because he was the one who had offered bribe to Inspector Khan a few days ago for some illegal work and had warned him to dire consequences if he did not take it and stopped him from doing his illegal work. By then, Kishan's mother Durga Kapoor also arrives there and wants to see the photo, but she is not able to see the photo properly because before that Kishan accidentally spills tea on her. Then Kishan says that sooner or later he will arrest this criminal and his photo will be published in the newspaper again, and then she will be able to see that. After this, Kishan leaves from there and comes to Vikram's hideouts and meets Vikram and asks him to give information related to Inspector Khan's murder. But Vikram sends him back empty-handed, saying that one should not enter a respectable person's house without proof. Kishan returns from there. Meanwhile, Vikram makes a plan to kill Kishan, but instead of getting Kishan killed by his goons, he wants Amit to do it. He knows that Amit needs money for the construction of temple and he himself had talked about killing someone for the money. In this sequence, when Vikram sends his goons to bring Amit to his hideout, Amit is on top of the dome to the of the temple. While hanging from the dome of the temple, he scolds the people for not taking out money from their pockets, due to which the temple of Ma Durga remained incomplete. Then someone from the crowd tells him to jump down. He is even ready to jump, but then he stops and argues that if he dies by jumping from here, then how will he face Ma Durga? He does not have any money. Amit was still saying all this when Vikram's goon reaches there and a loud sound is heard. That is, he should come down from the temple dome and come near him and take the money. As soon as Amit comes down from the temple dome and comes near Vikram's goon's car, the goons take him inside the car, blindfold him and bring him to their hideouts here. Here Vikram hides behind a black mirror. Vikram takes a contract to kill Kishan for rupees 50,000. Then Vikram's men blindfold Amit and leave him near a temple. After returning from Vikram's hideouts, Amit first goes to meet Kishan and informs him about the deal with Vikram and says that he should not be scared at all because the weapon he will use in this murder will have a spring in it and it will not harm him even a bit. As per the predetermined plan, Amit is doing Sandhya Vandan in Ma Durga courtyard along with Masanti and other devotees to execute this murder drama on the day of Mahashtami. Vikram and his goons also reach there in the disguise of a sadhu, so that if Amit refuses to do so, his goons can kill him. But as per the pre-decided program, Kishan comes to the Durga temple to play his role in the drama. Then Amit falls down while dancing the Sandhya Vandan. When Kishan comes to pick up him, Amit pierces Kishan's body with a spring-loaded weapon. Kishan also pretends to be seriously injured. Amit wants to take the injured Kishan to the hospital. Then Vikram, disguised as a sadhu, creates an obstacle and stops Kishan treatment and insists getting Kishan treated by a sadhu instead of the hospital. Then he talks to Amit about a special room and brings Kishan there and makes him lie down on a slab. However, Kishan is pretending to be seriously injured, but he is conscious inside. Meanwhile, Vikram closes the door and tries to kill him with a knife and sword. Kishan saves himself from this attack, but during this his head hits the chandelier hanging from the ceilings and he loses his vision. By then, fearing something bad, Amit also starts banging on the door, due to which Vikram gets scared and runs away through the window, leaving Kishan in this state. The doctor tells that Kishan has lost his vision due to the destructions of the cornea. At this, Amit asks the doctor to take his eyes, but the doctor is not ready for this, saying that Kishan's eyes needs a special type of cornea. At present, such a cornea is not available in the eye bank of the hospital, but he should apply right away so that as soon as a donor with such a cornea comes here, Kishan's eye lens can be replaced. Amit is deeply shocked by the incident of Kishan losing his eyesight, and he is always in a depressed state, thinking about one thing or the other. One day, Kishan's mother Durga Kapoor asks him about this depressed state. Then he says that I was on the wrong path. But Kishan was on the right path. Then what did he get? This Durga Kapoor says that if every mother does not inspire her children to do social services with such thinking, then that country will not be able to remain independent. Even our soldiers who get martyred by getting shot at the border are also the sons of some mother. By then, Kishan also reaches there. Amit talks about taking revenge for the incident that happened with Kishan. On this, Kishan explains to him that you will not do anything to him by breaking the law. Rather, if you do something wearing the uniform of law, I will be proud. On this, he says that how can he wear this police uniform? Kishan asks to leave everything to him. Kishan goes to the senior police official with Amit's recommendation letter and creates interest in Amit by answering all the questions raised about him. Then the senior police officer calls Amit. Amit says that circumstances were such that it became his destiny to be associated with crime. As far as drinking is concerned, he will give it up immediately. He also talks about his education and says that despite all the adverse circumstances, he has received a good education and has passed that matriculation examination. On this, the senior police officer lets him go from there, saying that he will consider his case sympathetically. Returning from there, Amit goes to Basanti's place with a bottle of liquor in his hand. Here, Basanti tells him that the customers have not even come yet and you have come to create a ruckus. Then he says that today I have not come to create a ruckus. You are seeing this liquor in my hand. On this, Basanti says that what is new in this? It is in your hand now, and it will go down the throat in a little while. On this, Amit says that he has come to give up drinking and needs her help in this regard. If she can somehow keep him away from alcohol today, he will never drink alcohol again in his life. But Basanti ignores his words. Then he returns from there saying that if not you, then someone else will. Then Basanti starts dancing there. During this dance, Amit tries to drink alcohol several times, but Basanti stops him from doing so every time with her attractive dance postures and musical expressions. In the end, Amit himself breaks the bottle of alcohol and tells Basanti that today she has passed the test. After this, when Amit comes home, he gets to know that his job as a policeman is confirmed. Then he takes sweets and feeds them to Kishan's mother Durga Kapoor. Durga Kapoor blesses him and recalls the previous incident that if her other son had also stayed with her, he would have grown up like this. Then, seeing Kishan coming from there, Amit asks him how beautiful my uniform looks like. Then he realizes that he said the wrong thing because Kishan has no eyes to see. But to encourage Amit, Kishan says that he can see that this uniform suits him very well. And then he confirms his words by touching his uniform. On this, Amit tells Durga Kapoor that now see how will the two of us will pair up. I know every lane of crime. Now my strength and the brain of Kishan together will finish off the criminals. After this, he takes Kishan on a long motorcycle drive. Even on the way, he hands over the handle of the motorcycle to Kishan and tells him what he is sitting behind him. Then Kishan succeeds in driving the motorcycle with complete efficiency. On becoming a police inspector, Amit first shut down the liquor and dancing business of his foster father Pascal, and after this he raised Jaggi's black market, whereupon and got his son arrested. Meanwhile, Pascal comes to Jaggi and asks him for money, saying that his business is going down, but Jaggi's financial situation is also bad. So he turns down Pascal, saying that he does not have more money to give him. Then Pascal calls him lame and asks him to work. On this, Pascal says that both of them have the same business. The only differences is that he does big business and he does small business. And then he tells Vikram about his fight with Jaggi and also talks about exposing him. On this, Vikram asks him to come to him the next day. After raiding Pascal and Jaggi's hideouts, Amit also reaches Vikram's hideout. Vikram is saying about Kishan that he has just lost his eyesight and soon he will lose his life too. Then Amit comes there and says that his friend is still alive. On this, Vikram's men open fire on him, from which he saves himself and then kills many of his men with his bullets. Vikram also fires at him, but he dodges it and then fires several shots targeting Vikram. One of such bullet hit him. Vikram, however, manages to hide and jumps from the top floor of the house and escapes in the truck and goes and hides in Kishan's house. Here he sees his wife Durga Kapoor regretting in the fact that she does not got any with her husband even on the day of Karma Chauth. Then he appears and apologizes her for his sins, that when he came to him, he refused to even recognize her. At that time, he used to drink alcohol and was going on the wrong path. But now, when he is not drinking alcohol and trying to go on the right path, the society is not letting him improve. He has run away and he is hiding here. He asks Durga Kapoor not to tell anyone about it. Instead of being happy when Kishan hears this, he, in spite of being happy, gets angry and asks his mother to leave from here. But when his mother explains him, he also realizes his mistake and asks his father to stay here. During this time, when the father and son are meeting, then Durga Kapoor bringing him to her house to hide out and hiring these two. Kishan's ask mother to who is it. Then his mother tells him that he is father, and he comes, but Kishan's head goes on his bleeding part, due to which he starts screaming blood. Meanwhile, Anu comes to Amit with a complaint that her sister is lost somewhere. When Amit asks her sister's name, she tells him her name as Basanti. On this, Amit asks to her hideout. Here her sister is dancing and her admirers are sitting there. Basanti is shocked to see Anu with Amit. On the other hand, Anu is also shocked to see Basanti in this condition. Basanti runs to Anu and asks, "How come you here?" Then Anu also repeats the same question to her, and then Amit also expresses surprise at Basanti being here. Then Basanti says that she is saving her honor in the infamous street and is also giving money for her sister's education. But where respectable people live, honor is looted like this. And then she tells him about the incident. When his sister Anu was studying medicine and there was a famine in the village, she went to the village moneylender to take money. The moneylender refuses to give money. Then Gopal was present there and he offered her money. Then he took her upstairs on some pretext and tried to rape her. Then she hit him on the head with a big lamp stand present there and ran away from there. Then this brothel house has served her and brought her here. When she saw the dancer dancing here, she asked that it would have been better if she had let her die. Then she said that she is misunderstanding her. The three boys here are all like my sons. No one can play with anyone's respect here. Your respect is also linked to my reputations now. Even though this place is infamous and I have been living here since then, on this Amit said what he was she has to be arrested therefore. So she herself extends her hands towards Amit and then sits in the jeep with these people and leaves from there. The next day, Gopal was going to testify against Vikram in the court. Pascal informed Vikram about this, and then Vikram told Pascal to call him as soon as he is caught. Meanwhile, Amit was bringing Basanti to court after arresting her. Then Basanti saw Gopal was alive. On this, she said to Amit that the person who murdered you are taking me to court is alive. Meanwhile, Gopal, seeing Amit with Basanti, runs away from there, but Pascal captures him and calls Vikram. However, Kishan receives the calls and says it is a wrong number. However, Vikram dials him back and communicates with him, in which he learns that he has captured Jackie's son. Here, Jaggi come to meet Vikram. Here, when Vikram and Jaggi are talking to each other, Kishan sitting on this room above is taping their conversation. Vikram asks Jackie to prepare the helicopter, but Jaggi is not ready for this, and on this contrary, he talks about getting him arrested by the police. Then Vikram says, I will make you talk to the police myself, and while saying this, he calls Pascal, who tells him that his son Gopal is in his custody. Soon Gopal is also on this call and asks him to agree to everything he says. Then Jackie agrees to give the helicopter. He leaves from there to make preparation for it. Meanwhile, Vikram goes to the upper room and sees that Kishan has taped his conversation. He wants to snatch the tape and run away. Then Kishan shoots him and threatens him to stop. Meanwhile, Durga Kapoor reaches there and points a gun at her and forces Kishan to not do anything. Meanwhile, Amit knocks on the door from outside. Then Vikram asks Kishan to open the door downstairs and send the visitor back from there. This visitor was none other than Amit. When Amit is coming inside, the farmer asks him to go out. Seeing the delicity, the situation, he pretends to fall on the stairs when Amit lifts him up. The farmer explains everything to Amit through gestures. Then Amit goes out. After this, the farmer also comes upstairs. Vikram is trying to escape with Durga Kapoor by threatening Kishan. But Amit leaves the car running and comes there and threatens Vikram. Then Vikram shoots Amit and runs away with Durga Kapoor. When Vikram comes to his hideout with Durga, he finds that Jackie is already sitting there ready. On this, Vikram gives him the keys, but when he asks about the helicopter, Jackie says that first give me my son. Meanwhile, Jackie's men inform him that a time bomb has been planted in the helicopter. That bomb will explode 10 minutes after takeoff. Now Jackie comes down and asks him son. Then Durga recognizes Jackie and asks him about his other son. Meanwhile, Pascal comes there with Jackie's son Gopal, whom he has kept unconscious with chloroform, and in return he is asking for money from Jackie. When he hears Durga talking about his other son, he says that he has information about her son, but for this he will have to pay money. On this, Durga takes off both of the bracelets from her hands and gives them to him. But he is not satisfied with this and demands for Mangal Sutra, although Durga does not want to give away her Mangal Sutra, the symbol of her marital bliss. Bikram forcibly snatches it and throws it towards Pascal so that he can take it and give Jackie his son, and Jackie can give him the helicopter as quickly as possible. But in the middle, Amit catches the Mangal Sutra and says, as long as she has a Mangal Sutra around her neck, she has her husband. Only when she can alive. Meanwhile, Jackie gets a chance and attacks these people and injures them all seriously. Then, getting a chance, Bikram takes Durga along with him and to an aerodrome where the helicopter has been kept ready for him. When the farmer informs him about the bomb in the helicopter, he asks him to save his mother. Amit and Kishan go on motorcycle to rescue their parents. Meanwhile, Bikram and Durga's car meets with an accident and Bikram leaves Durga injured in the car. He forcibly takes the other person's car to the aerodrome and boards the helicopter. Meanwhile, when Amit and Kishan ask their mother to go for the treatment, their mother pleads that both soon protect her husband first. Amit and Kishan then reaches the aerodrome and driving their motorcycle fast, but by then Bikram boards the helicopters and it takes off. However, Amit and Kishan both grab the wheel rod. Amit picks up the body and tells Bikram that there is a time bomb in the helicopter. At first, Bikram does not believe it and thinks it is a trick of Amit, but when Amit shows him the timer, he believes and brings down the helicopter. As there is no time left, Amit asks everyone to jump. Everyone sees their lives by jumping into the river, but the helicopter explodes. Coming back, Kishan's eyes are operated upon. When Kishan asks who gave him the eye, Bikram tells him that he himself gave him the eyes and he is atoning for it in this way. However, Amit has sent him to the jail, and in this way, he has saved his mother's married life as well as the law. Thus, the movie has a happy ending.